Look, if you are a personal injury attorney, you already know the math. You're currently paying somewhere between $300 and $500 per click, just for a single click on Google. Not a lead, not a signed case, just a click from someone who might be price shopping 5 other firms. My name is Justin and I work at Algomizer, and we've seen firsthand over $47 million being generated for personal injury attorneys through AI. And we did that by realizing something that your SEO agency is probably still ignoring, and that is that Google is simply no longer the first stop for high-value clients. Now let me give you some data. At this point in time, 63% of people under the age of 45 now ask ChatGPT, Perplexity, or Claude, who is the best car accident lawyer in my city? And before they ever look at a search result. So if you aren't the answer that those AI models give, you effectively don't exist. You're invisible. So you might be thinking, this is just SEO. And there certainly are some shared elements, and then there are entirely new ones. AI doesn't care about your keywords. It cares about authority sources. It cares about consistency. It cares about you being presented and positioned in the right way. So while you're bleeding $30,000 on PPC tire kickers, your competitors are quietly training the AI to recommend them as the only logical choice. But on top of that all, the one thing that most people tend to underappreciate at this point in time is how high the conversion rate from AI platforms is. Empirically, it appears to be 2 to 3 times higher than any other traffic source. Think about that. This is likely a result of the extensive back and forth that the average user has on these platforms before visiting and making a decision. These users are simply a lot more pre-qualified and higher intent. And at Algomizer, we handle the entire execution. So we don't give you just a strategy and a good luck, but we perform an AI visibility audit, we write the high authority content that the models crave, and we partner with highly authoritative sources, and we handle all of the technical work that it effectively takes to get you cited where it matters. Our clients tend to see an average of 34% conversion rates on AI leads. So compare that to the 10% that you're probably getting right now on Google Ads. It's not that you're just getting more traffic, it's higher intent and higher value cases. Now here's the catch. And in the personal injury world, this is the only thing that matters. We only work with one firm per market, period. If you're in NYC, LA, or Chicago and you claim the dominate tier that we have, your competitors are then effectively locked out. They can keep bidding on $500 clicks while you monopolize the AI recommendations. So you can either keep burning your marketing budget on a game that's getting more expensive every day, or you can own the future of how clients actually find lawyers in 2026. And the AI models are indexing your market right now. And the question is, are they going to find you, or are they going to find the guy down the street? So please feel free to take a look at our site, and if your territory is still available, let's work something out.